Keelan's Lounge. Enjoy. So today at Keelan's Lounge, we're going to be getting ready for the ice fishing season. So here I got my bucket, 5-gallon bucket with Made by Plano bucket topper. And it's really nice because you can sit on it. And I got all my lures in here. Then over here I got all my jig heads. And then you can lift this up. You reach down the side. You know, just Berkley tip up. Chuck that down in there. Doesn't fit. Well, I thought that was going to be a good idea, but it wasn't. You have a shorter tip up. That's why I built this little sled last year. And under here, just got more weight. And got a bunch of power bait made by Gulp and or made by Berkley, I should say. So yeah, that's about it. Well, I guess I can show you my rod. I'm switching out a reel on this thing. It's a Sub-Zero medium action. Right now it has 10-pound test, or 6-pound test I mean, with a Berkley reel. Nice little setup, but I am gonna switch this out for something else. And then like I said, I got my tip up. I gotta put line on that though. Then I got this little thing here. I use this. Let's see if I can get this undone. I use this for a bait line. But before you go using bait, I like to use shrimp. I got a spinner on there right now. But before you go using bait, check your local regulations and make sure it's okay to use bait at the lake you're fishing at. And make sure there's at least 4 inches of ice before you go on the ice. And then so on. I much rather prefer 10 inches because then you can bring your snowmobiles. And some people say you can bring a car, but I doubt that. So anyways, that's what that is. So yeah, let's pack this up all onto my sled. I'll show you my sled. So now here's my ice fishing sled. Been in storage for a while, so it's a little bit dirty, but I can deal with that. So my bucket is right in here. Tip up. Right there. Just gonna get that flag in there. Ice fishing pole. Ice fishing pole. This one goes over here. I usually have 2 ice fishing poles, not including this one. This one's normally my backup. Yeah, I got that on there. And then I got this ice fishing rod holder. You just got to set your rod in there and your line just goes down the hole. And I put see this guys? Oh yeah, you can see it. Right here, I put a rod holder. So then I just back my sled up to the hole. And we're all good to go. So now you guys are wondering, where in Moses do I put my auger? Well, haven't really figured that out yet because the only time I took this out was with Popsy's Lounge. But I'm assuming I just lay it across here, strap her down, and we'll be good to go. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and peace out.